Leaf collecting truck transformers in sanitation. Leaf collecting truck is an efficient environmental sanitation vehicle that integrates the three functions of leaf collection: road cleaning and high-pressure cleaning. It provides an efficient method for municipal, environmental sanitation, garden and other departments to deal with centralized fallen leaves and road cleaning in autumn. Form 1 Leaf collection vehicle. The vehicle is equipped with a bottom suction cup and a handheld straw dual collection mode. Different collection methods can be selected for scattered leaves and piles of leaves. It is equipped with a leaf crushing and two-stage dust removal and filtration system. Form 2 High-pressure cleaning vehicle, which is equipped with its own pure electric high-pressure cleaning system in non-deciduous seasons. It can completely replace the high-pressure cleaning vehicle and road maintenance vehicle with a single function. The flushing pressure can reach 250 kg. Form 3 Electric sweeper, equipped with large brush and high-pressure suction cup, can quickly clean road dust, small stones and white garbage. The combination of vehicle spraying, cleaning and dust collection has good effect and high efficiency. It can be used for cleaning and cleaning of auxiliary roads, non-motorized lanes, back alleys, municipal parks, and property communities.